Hi everyone, and welcome back to Open Source Tonight. Today I'm going to show you an OS called Haiku OS. Let's go take a look. So here is the desktop, and as you might have guessed by the name of the drive up here, you're right, using VirtualBox for this. And I apologize for the black borders on the side of the screen, but the reason I have to do that is this VM, I cannot get it to size exactly 16 by 9. It wants to do, not really sure exactly what aspect ratio this is. But anyway, let's get started. So this is Haiku. I've got it installed here. We've got our little box up in the corner here. We can even go about Haiku, so we'll start there. I'm running a beta, R1/beta 4, and you can see it lists my processor, RAM, all of that stuff. You can see the kernels from last year. It's kind of up there. This is an open source operating system that was meant to be compatible with BOS, if you know what BOS is. So we can do that. So we can look around. I don't claim to know exactly how this stuff works, but I'm trying it out, and you can see there looks to be all of the information. Here comes all of our threads and CPU usage. We can do things like open a terminal, and I think this is bash. Let's look. Is it? Looks like they have bash. Yeah. Okay. So they do have bash, and that's always nice. So we'll close this. This is not based on Linux or anything as far as I'm aware of. It's kind of its own thing. Let's look at the demos here. Why not? Let's see here. Okay. Cool. So let's see. Can I resize that? Yes, I can. All right. And so can if I click it, lets me move it around. Cool. So you can see this is a CGI teapot. And there you go. And let's see. Whoa, that was a weird glitch. Lights, we can turn off the different lights, and now it's in the dark. Oh, interesting. We can change the color of the light as well. And now it's spinning again. Let's see, yeah. So I'm really not sure. Okay, I just added a second teapot to it, but anyway, yeah, there you guys go. That's how that works. We've got different things here that we can add. I wonder what it means by new person. So let's just do test. And what? Oh, this is like a contact name, I bet, isn't it? Let's see. Can I change the picture? I guess not. So I could put in a name here. Test. Yeah, that works. Okay. I'm not really 100% sure. Configure attributes. Okay, so I can change. Interesting. Okay. Well, there you go. Cool. Looks like I can associate audio with them. And okay. That's interesting. All right, we'll get out of that. We'll close that. I do not want to save. In fact, we'll actually see if I can move to the trash. There we go. So I think this is a pretty nice OS. We can do cleanup. I thought it would move stuff, but it didn't. We can change the icon view. So maybe there you go. For those of you that really, want to see big icons, we got you covered in this operating system. We got a quick tour here we can go through, and this opens up in their, I believe it's their web browser, web perspective. I haven't done a lot of research on this. I've seen people talk about it before. I wanted to just look at it. So it looks like if you open page info, it just opens the HTML of the web page. It's one way to do it, I suppose. It's one way to do it. All right. Well, there you go. Let's see here. So we can come in here and look at the instructions, and we can exit out of that from the looks of it. But let's look at the about page first. So this is their web browser. Cool. Okay, we're going to go ahead and close that too. And so, you can see the system does work. I mean, that's like the thing. It does work. I'm really not sure let's see. I can configure stuff, I guess. Let's see. Audio settings. Looks like it didn't work. See here. Terminal window. Let's see here. Okay. Here's the apps itself that it comes with, and it looks like it's got a bunch. I installed it. Why is the installer there? I don't know. Maybe it didn't install. I'm in the live CD. Could be. Anyway, I didn't mean to go out of that. Let's go back up to apps, and let's see here. So we can look at a bunch of different stuff. I'm trying to see what would be interesting. Let's look at the mail client. Okay, I mean, like how does that work? Okay, accounts. It's kind of strange that it comes up that way. So we could like add an account. Yep, looks like we can do that. Okay. I wonder, I'm assuming this is their software, the Haiku project, but I don't know. I don't see anything that tells me where I could find it. So anyway, we've got that. You can send email from this operating system. Apparently, that's always good. Let's see here. Okay. Let's see here. What else have we got? We have got different things, but I'm not really sure. Let's see. Activity Manager. This looks like the one I've seen, or pretty similar to one I've seen in Linux, the System Manager from the GNOME project. Okay. I mean, it's not half bad, you know. This OS, as you can probably tell, has a kind of a retro appearance, at least in my eyes. I'm not saying it looks bad. I actually kind of like the design, but it is definitely something not everyone may like, you know. And so that's I can open I just did that by accident. Oh, you could open the folder. That's cool. So we can do that. We have a remote desktop client. I wonder if this uses RDP or what. Let's see if I open it, what happens. I don't know. We got a TV thing here. What's that do? Oh, I guess this is like for a capture card. Cool. Okay. Cool. Okay. So, again, I'm not really sure what you do with it, but you could. It's got a media player. Interesting. Looped video. Huh. Cool. Interesting. So we'll close out of that. Stylized text. Cool. So, it's actually not half bad. I mean, it's got a decent amount of things in the system. I'm just not really sure what I would do with it, nor am I really sure how you would actually install software. Let's see here. I think this is it, I think. Okay. So like if we go under video, looks like it's fetching stuff from the repository right now. I'm not even sure that this system is on the internet. I guess we can try opening their web browser up and see if it is. We'll just go to google.com. It looks like it is online. Interesting. So that all works, and we can close out of that. I wonder how long it's going to take to fetch the repository information. Maybe we will, I think this minimize. Oh, that's maximize. Let's see, I thought that button was minimize. Okay, I'm really not sure how you do this. Does hitting the X do something? Oh, well, update and package that. A problem has arisen that may cause. Okay. Okay. So, being a beta, it definitely seems like it's a little buggy, and, I'm sure they'll probably get the bugs fixed at some point, but it looks like we did finally get some packages to load, so we could actually look at them. I wonder if we have something like Firefox in here. It looks like we do not. Might have been the fact that it didn't catch all the repos or something, though. So I feel like that would be in there. Okay, what about OBS Studio? Nope. Okay. Again, I don't know. Maybe the Asterisk telephony server. Nope. What? Okay, I'm not really sure what you'd run with this. Okay, maybe FFmpeg? Well, I type FFmpeg, right? There we go. Finally, I found something that actually is in here, and I could actually install it. Interesting. So this is another program that reserves HDR, apparently. I was curious what that was. But so, like, if I wanted to install it, oh, it's already installed. Well, what if we installed this program instead? So if I hit install and apply changes, let's see what does happen if I do that. Looks like it's installing it. Now, will this in the background here auto refresh this window, or will it just set there? That's a real good question, isn't it? Let's find out what it does here. Come on, finish installing. I'm wondering if it's discovered a problem. Let's move it around here and see if there's an error message of some kind. I don't see any, but I do not like that, the way it's acting where it's just moving around. We can look at the ratings here, the change log. Maybe another app would have more of these things. Yeah, here's the change log on this program. The ratings seem a little better. Interesting. And okay, so we can open up this program and take a look. Interesting. So I don't know if this is going to install or not. I'm beginning to seriously wonder. Maybe it will, maybe it won't. We can look at About System. I think we already looked at that. Yeah, okay, we did. A reboot is necessary to complete the installation process of a program? All right. Let me see here. Reboot. I forgot, but I did remember how to do it. I think it's up in here. Quit an application. No. Shut down. Restart the power. It's a system. Here it goes. So we're going to reboot everything here. You can see its little startup screen, which I think is pretty charming, actually. And once that's done, we will be greeted back by a desktop. And looks like it even saved the things that we had open back up. So did it actually put the program in here, though? I don't. Oh, there it is. Right there. It's a folder. And if I double click on it, could not open, missing symbol. So it looks like that did not compile right or something. So, I want to like this, and I think there's interesting stuff about it, but it's definitely buggier than I'd like it to be. And so that's a big problem. Anyway, folks, I don't really know what else to add about this OS. I mean, it's interesting. I don't know if I would use it. I think they do have a stable version, but I couldn't seem to find one on their website. But I seem to remember somebody somewhere saying that there was a stable version of this. Maybe I imagined that. But anyway, folks, let me know your thoughts about this operating system. Are you watching this YouTube video right now on Haiku OS? If you are, let me know in the comments. Everybody, thanks for watching Open Source Tonight. Hope y'all are having a great day, and I'll see y'all again very soon. Goodbye, everybody. Hello, everybody, and welcome back to Open Source Tonight. Folks, let's try out Hi, everyone, and welcome back to Open Source Tonight. Today, Hi, everybody, and welcome back to Haiku OS. And action.